This is the home page of KaganTools. This is where you'll find all the awesome tools for engaging students. If you notice, the tools are categorized into three sections. So the first section is Kagan Structures. So these are the tools that we have in the Kagan Structures section. Scroll down here. We have classroom management tools for managing Kagan cooperative learning. There's the timer tools, team tools, selector tools. And then the third section is managing content. So this is where you manage all your question sets. This is where you manage your classroom list. So three main sections of tools there. And we'll be adding, as we continue to develop KaganTools, we'll be adding more tools to each of those sections and also adding more and new sections for KaganTools. Notice these little icons right here, small, medium, or large. That's just a preference on whether you want to see your icons small, see more at a time, medium, or large. Across the top are just quick little filters to how you find things. The first one is favorites. So far, we don't have anything favorited. So let's go ahead and favorite something. And we're going to favorite timer tools. And actually, we're going to unfavorite that one and let's favorite selector tools just to see what happens. So when you favorite a tool, it jumps to the top of that section, make it a little easier to find it. So let's go back and favorite timer tools. And we're going to favorite mix, pair, share. And we like to use those two tools. So now we'll go to our favorite section and we'll only find whatever tools we have favorited. So there's tools in there that you don't use or don't want to see. You just favorite what you like to see, and then you can just go to your favorite section. If you want to see everything again, go to All Tools. If you only want to see any section at a time, here's Kagan Structures, Class Tools, Manage Your Content. So just kind of a quick and easy way to navigate through the different tools on there. And again, we're hoping to add a lot more tools in the future. So this will be a helpful way to get there. Okay, so here we are in All Tools. And let me show you how the search bar works. So at any time, if you want to find a specific tool, you just go to the search bar and you can start typing in timer tools. And it'll pop up there. Or if I know I want to get to my question sets, I'll start typing question sets and it will pop up there. So just a quick way to find whatever you're looking for. The other thing I want to share is the hamburger menu. So off the home page, this is where you'll find everything. Here's your home. So if you're in any tools and want to get back to this home page, that's how you get there. If you want to see just your favorite tools, whatever you favorited, notice it recognizes, oh, I like timer tools and mix, pair, share, and it's throwing it into that favorite tools section there. So that's just a quick and easy way to navigate to your favorite tools. Question sets and class lists we have up there, just easy access for content management. And then the other tools are divided into the same sections that we have here. So here's our structures, and here's our management tools. And then down below is our settings, and we'll dive deeper into the settings in another video. In settings, you'll have a lot of ability to kind of customize your own look and feel of KaganTools. All right, so we're going to close out of there. And that's the basic interface of KaganTools in the home page.